Traditional loan processing can be slow, stressful, and inefficient. What if lending could be faster, smarter, and completely digital? Introducing Swift Cloud ERP loan management software, designed to simplify every stage of the lending journey. With Swift Cloud ERP, every customer gets a secure, personalized account where they can manage their loan activities in one place, including profile management, loan history, account notification, and real-time loan status. From application tracking to repayment updates, customers stay informed at every step. With Swift Cloud ERP, you can see that we have every customer has their individual accounts. Let's open Grace Simon's account now to see other features. Okay, under Grace Simon's accounts, we can see we have items like email, we have a phone number, we have a date of birth, so you can be able to get every detail of your customer. And at the bottom, we have the ID verification area. So our intelligent identity verification system helps lenders validate customers' information quickly and securely. Here we have items like the BVN, we have NIN, and we have guarantors information as well. Here you can verify you can verify the customer's BVN with one click. You can also verify their NIN, and you can also verify the guarantor's BVN once it is provided. This reduces fraud, improves compliance, and speeds up onboarding. Also, we have the KYC/credit check. Here you can be able to check if the customer is credit worthy by cross-referencing their credit history with other platforms. The next thing we have our loan application. Applying for a loan is simple and seamless with just a click of the button. So you can see we have new application here. Once you've clicked on it, let's say we have our loan types. We have only cooperative loan for now. So let's go and say we want to make a loan of 50,000 naira and create. So once the loan has been created, you go back to loan applications and you see room to approve it. So once you click on the approve, we can see we have things like amount approved 50,000 naira, so you can also reduce or increase it from this area. Then we have the direct debit provider, that if you want to be debiting the money and the loan repayment directly from the customer's account at stipulated time. With integrated payment mandates, repayment can be automated for convenience and consistency. This secures automated collections and reduce default and improve repayment. So let's say we use Paystack as our repayment system. So under here now, you can see date approved. Our repayment starts month. Okay, let's say by June. We want to give the person a month grace, say 2026. Then we approve it. So once you do this, the customer will receive an email that looks like this. So once they click on this approve mandate, they will be provided a room to attach the accounts attach the accounts to the platform to enable direct debit. Also, okay, so let's go back to the account. So we have loan application, it has been approved. So let's go to loans. So okay, so we click on the cooperative loan. That's the loan we're interested in. Then we can click on, okay, let's just 2026 and disburse funds. Once you disburse funds, it's going to give you an option to select when you want the repayment to begin. So June 2026, then we proceed. Okay, so once you do that, you can see this loan has a 6 months repayment schedule. So you can see it has already scheduled repayment from 18th June to 18th November, and the amount that is due for payment in each month, that by 18th of June 2026, this customer will be debited 18,333 naira 33 kobo continuously until the loan is fully repaid. We also have room for liquidation, where you can liquidate the customer's loan if they pay it at once. So from the onboarding to repayment, Swift Cloud Loan Management software delivers a faster, smarter, and more secure lending experience. Transform the way you lend. Empower the way your customer borrow with Swift Cloud ERP. Thank you.